Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. And yes, I did it. I ordered from Temu. I don't remember what I ordered. I couldn't tell you. So, I will try to link everything down below. We'll see. Okay. Oh, that's right. Here we go. I really love this. It smells. Oh yeah, look at this. This is a seriously, I just want to say I can't record for 5 seconds without something happening. Okay, this is a magnetic thing that's supposed to help with migraines. If you've been on any of my journal with me's, you will know that I'm on day like 246 of a headache. I think it goes like this. It was like 89 cents. I thought I'd give it a shot. Okay. What else do we got in here? Oh, a stencil. I really like stencils, but they're so expensive. So I think this was like $1. Another notebook cover. I like to use these every once in a while instead of making a journal cover. I used one for Halloween last year and I really loved using it. That's why I got a few, and they're very expensive on other websites. Oh, I got a stamps for mixed media, strings, burlap, and something else. Ooh, look at this. Look at that die. So you can do a river, a road. Maybe I will do a post then when I've used this kind of stuff and show pictures of how it all came out. I've been waiting for this one so I can do a card. I have an idea for a card and I've been waiting for this die. Look at that. I want to do a sunset behind it and cut this out in black. Oh, I really liked these numbers. They remind me of Temu Haul's. They're so cute. I believe they were like $1. And these glasses were 68 cents. How can you pass up 68-cent glasses? Let's see. Oh, this little signpost. And oh, I got a ring. I forgot I got rings. Let's see what they look like. I usually don't get jewelry, but look how pretty that is. Look at that. Very pretty. Okay. I got stickers. We'll open those up last. And then another ring. Can't open this one. I believe these were both $1. $1. I figured this one was 89 cents. That's how much this one was. And I figured if it stinks for 89 cents, all I did was waste 89 cents. And it says in the inside, "You belong among the wildflowers." Look how pretty that is. Look at it. What do you think? Yep. And then this notebook. Like I said, since they're so cheap on Temu, I decided to stock up. I love this black star one. This would be good for Halloween. Look at how pretty that is. So nice. Also, by the way, let's not talk about how I put in another order before I even got this one. So I got these like fun food stickers, like bottled baby poop, because I just thought they were so funny. Disco, platform shoe polish, foot gushers. They just made me. I mean, then there's like normal ones. Why are there like there's like normal ones mixed in with, or maybe that's not normal. What's on there? Maybe that's just me. No, that's completely normal. That one's completely normal. That one's normal. So why are some of them weird and some of them normal? I don't know, but they're cute. Hey, no. Every dog in the neighborhood has been barking all day. I don't know what's going on. Yep. Look at, I don't understand why some of them are normal and some of them are weird. Anybody? No? Dr. Pooper. And there you go. So, all in all, I got the stickers, which I believe were $1 something. The 3 notebook covers in 2 different sizes. I believe A6 and A5, I think. The thing for migraines. Hopefully it works. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dies, a stamp, stencil, these 2 rings. Okay. And everything was $14. I'm pretty sure. Okay, well that's it for today, this little haul. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.